Here's what I eat in a day to fuel my body for energy and long life. I start off the day with some scrambled eggs with spinach and mushrooms. No sugar, no grains, just pure protein and fiber. And don't forget the healthy fats. They're good for your heart, and they help you feel full. For lunch, I have a big salad with lots of greens, veggies, and a scoop of hummus. This is a great source of fiber, vitamins, and minerals, a ton. And I love mixing it up with different dressings, okay? And for dinner, I have a stir fry with brown rice, broccoli, carrots, snap peas, and tofu. This is a great way to get your protein and fiber, as well as a variety of vitamins and minerals. Of course, I can't forget my snacks. I usually have a handful of nuts or seeds, or maybe some fruit. This is a great way to keep your energy levels up and to prevent any midday crashes. So would you try this? Let me know below.